Hi and welcome to my channel. It's me, Tina. Today I am here to share what Beebeecraft has sent me. Um, it is a collaboration with them. They asked me to try some more of their products and I agreed. So if you would like to try some of their products and you have a YouTube channel, and you have more than 100 subscribers, I would ask that you go check them out and check out their program. They're really awesome with helping YouTubers. It um, improves your channel. You can show things that you know, that they have on their website. And yeah, you get to try products that um, you maybe wouldn't ordinarily buy or that you would get a chance to try. So let me show you what I got. It came in this bag, and I will link these items that were sent to me. I picked them out, and I will link them down below so you can check them out for yourself and see what you think. So the first thing that I'm going to pull out of this bag is a box of aluminum craft wire. This is the I think it's the 0.8 millimeter 17. I thought it says it's craft wire. I thought this was the wire that, you could make your eye pins with and things like that, but I think this is too soft of a wire. But I think it's going to be okay. I'm going to use it for wrapping beads and things like that. It's a really strong wire. It might work for making some type of jewelry, but yeah, this, I'll have to check out if they have the harder wire. Like, this is a really soft wire. You could even use it for like what I was thinking was threading around journal covers and things like that. So I will be using this. So I'm glad I got this. And there is a lot on here. There is, I don't know if it tells me how much there's on here. I don't think it does, but there's a lot on here. This is quite heavy. So I like that. And it is silver. So yeah, sometimes you get something you weren't quite expecting, but that's okay. I'm going to be using this, and the box came a little crunched, but I mean, it's aluminum wire. You can't hurt it. And then I have two more items. The first one, or the second item here that I have is they're little beads, and they come in this little box, which is really cool. And it comes very well protected. Let's see if I can open it. There we go. And these are little beads that have, it's a bigger hole, and I wanted them for this little what do you call it? So I can attach like a jump ring here. So this goes through your whatever you're beading, like that, and then you can add a little charm to that. So that's what I wanted that for. And these are in the silver. Whoop, whoop. And there is, how many is in here? Again, I don't see how many are in here. It just says one box. But I really like the little box that it comes in. It's, you know, very nicely put together. Yeah, presentation is very nice. So I like that from Beebeecraft, and I will be using that. And then I got some material. So this says it's one set. I forget how many pieces there are, but it comes very nicely wrapped up. And let's see, how do I open this? And I love this first color already. And as you can tell, it's quite a large piece. So yeah, it's really a nice large piece. I'm just going to put this here. So this is, let me see, it is, I would say 16, about 20 inches by 16 inches. So they're quite large pieces. And this is one with a gray flower, or gray background with white little flowers and yellow. So this would be perfect for a, let's say, a journal cover. And then the next one is this blue one. Oh, I love this. Look how beautiful that is. So again, it's the whole piece, the same size as the other one. And it's very nice. This material is really nice. I love this. Very nice. And then there is this, and it is in a white background with the little flowers. This pattern, I believe, yeah, it's the same pattern. Yeah, it's the same pattern, but just a different color. This gray one was different. So yeah, the blue and the white are the same pattern, just different color. Then here is a gray, and this is a different pattern. So these are amazing colors, these gray and blue. I just love them. Now these, no, these are different patterns again. Oh, I love this. Oh, you know, I love my blue, so this is gorgeous. And then here is the white. And this pattern is different. So there's this white background with the leaves, and then this blue one, and this gray one. Oh, I love these. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna have so much fun with these. And here is the, oh, they're big pieces. Blue, another blue. So blue, gray, and white backgrounds. Very nice. I am going to have lots of fun with these. Okay, so this is what I got from Beebeecraft. I will link the items below, and I hope you check them out. Go and see if you qualify to do a collaboration with them or order something from them, and I'm sure you will like it as much as I do. So thank you for joining me, and I will link everything below, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye.